welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Will finish those who try to finish me. BJP need not tell me what to do. Shame on BJP Mahilas supporting attackers. Vishnu rose in exclusive interview. Robbers murder former PWD engineer Satish Kutsarkar at Mugale, Margaon. Loot his house in wee hours of Tuesday. Cribs, sweets, decorations and shopping. It's Christmas full of festivities. (108) ambulance workers allege exploitation. 72 hours duty for meager pay. Employees set 15 days deadline. No call attendance after 7 January. And Akansha Salunkhe and Yash Fatte gear up for British Open Squash Championship, world's top squash event in England from 2nd January. And now news in detail. I have patience to finish those who try to wipe me out. Vishnu Wagh threatened his attackers in a special interview to Prudent. Vishnu warned BJP not to dictate to him which function to attend and which one to avoid. Vishnu Wagh has said that deadly attack on him was not possible without the green signal from higher-ups.
पक्षाच्या काही वरिष्ठ पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगला की तुका वॉर्निंग दिल्ली त्या फंक्शनाक वचनाका म्हण तरी असताना तू आपली बुद्धवंतपणान गेलो म्हण
पक्षाचे वरिष्ठ पदाधिकारी म्हाका वॉर्निंग दिवपी कोण
मागीर तू रावलो कित्याक ह्या पक्षान हो सगळे गोंयकारांचो प्रश्न इतली सगळे जावन इतली सगळे सोसून विष्णू रावलो कित्याक तांकां इरिटेट करपाक तांकां आनी त्रास दिवपाक
खंयचेच डिसिजन हांव अशें सडनली किंवा इन द हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट किंवा इन अ फ्रेंझी असो घेत अशी जर कोणाची समजूत आसत जाल्यार ती खोटी म्हणजे पासियन्स सोंपोवना जे कोण विष्णू वाघाक सोंपोवपाचो प्रयत्न करतात पळय तांकां सोंपोवपाक इतलें पाश्चात्य विष्णू वाघाक नक्की ह्या पार्टीन आनी ह्या महिला ज्यो कोण हेणी म्हाज्या बायले फाटल्यान सांगपाक आसलें अरुणाबाई तूं भिवू नाका म्हणून कितेंय जालें तुजे बरोबर आमी आसात जें कोणें केलां तें सोडून ही वयल्यान डिफेंड करता ताची एडवोकेसी करता अक्कल आहा तांकां रातच्या 9:30 गोंयच्यान खंयच्यान तरी एका वाड्या वयल्यान भोंवता आनी 60-70 जाणांची हिम्मत जाता कशी ताका अटॅक करपाची ताची गाडी आडोवन ताका अटॅक करपाची हिम्मत 60-70 लोकांक जावप हेजो अर्थ कितें तो तुमी समजात
कितें
जर तांकां कितें तरी एक कोणें तरी अश्युरन्स जर दिवना की तुमी हें करात कितें जाता तें आपूण पळयता म्हणून जाल्यार हल्लो कसो जातलो.
Former PWD engineer Satish Kutsarkar was brutally murdered at his Mugale residence near Margaon Housing Board. Robbers intruded Kutsarkar's residence, robbed and murdered him. Incident occurred in the wee hours of Tuesday. Robbers intruded after cutting window grills. Meanwhile, police have arrested 2 robbers involved in multi-state robberies.
Robbers struck Rainbow Valley bungalow at Mugale, Margaon. Robbers looted valuables and brutally murdered the house owner Satish Kutsarkar. Kutsarkar was former PWD engineer and was residing with his wife and a granddaughter. Luckily, Kutsarkar's family was sleeping in another room. Satish Kutsarkar's body was first discovered by his wife. Kutsarkar was strangulated to death. When they called police, it reached at 7:30 in the morning and dog squad reached at around 11 a.m. Mugale area at Margaon has no street lights. Besides this, there are no adequate police personnel deployed in this area. SP Shekhar Prabhudesai has assured proper patrolling from this week.
The patrolling खातीर additional staff आज मेळपाचो आसा मागीर patrolling start जातलें.
So patrolling कमी आशिल्ली?
This थोडो manpower थोडे कमी आशिल्ली ती आतां आमकां मेळटा from headquarters.
चड
ह्या jurisdiction जाल्या PI महिना कुर्तरी investigation.
Similar robberies were reported at Margaon, Daboli and Naveli in last few days. On Monday, 3 bungalows were ransacked at Khandora. Robbers are only targeting bungalows. Meanwhile, Panji police have arrested 2 alleged robbers late on Tuesday night. They are allegedly involved in different robberies in number of states. Police are checking if they are connected with some of the recent robberies in Goa. With Samir Bhatt from Madgaon, Omkar Farari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.